Hey guys, so today I have a pretty quick video for you. We're gonna be adding coolant to a 2023 Tesla Model 3. Being EVs, I haven't worked on these much, so this was a little bit of a learning experience that I'd share. So right off the bat, you just gotta get yourself some antifreeze. This is 50-50 pre-mix, so you don't have to add water. You know, a lot of times you have to add water to them. So it starts with, you'll see this. This is a cover. I actually pre-popped it off, so it'll come right off. Now here, this is, you can kind of see it down under here, like right there. That's your actual coolant reservoir. So you have to pop off. This looks like kind of like an air intake, probably for air conditioning. So you gotta start by, you can see there's just a couple clips. There's 3 clips total. So we just gotta go ahead and pop all of those off. Okay, we got this thing off. Here it is. You can see right there. So this is where the air intake is. And so this cap goes to the coolant reservoir. That's where you're actually gonna add it. But to find the actual level in which you actually wanna fill it to, you actually have to take out this whole tub right here. Tesla doesn't make it easy, do they? But that should be no problem. It looks like there's only 2 screws. I actually need a socket for this, but there's only 2 bolts to get it out. Should be pretty quick. And this is just to see where the coolant level should go to. Okay, so we got that cover off. Now's the fun part. All we gotta do is add some coolant to the coolant reservoir. You can see right here, this is gonna be actually your cap, your coolant cap. I took it off. So all you're gonna do is fill it up. You can see on the side here, it's probably extremely hard to see on video, but you can actually see the lines from the side. Some people say you have to take off this giant thing, but if you just get a flashlight, you can see it from the side. Super easy. But other than that, you just add coolant. You can see the actual level, so I'd slowly add it. Make sure that you have a funnel because these are electronics. You know, I know these things are meant to get wet, but I don't know. I always get nervous around electric cars. So that's how you fill it up, cap it off, then you just put all the pieces back. Pretty simple, not too bad. Have a good one.